going to make my churn dash. I'm going to start off with the half square triangles. I'm going to put this over top, draw a line on both of them, and then sew on both sides of the line. Looks like these caves are a little bit bigger, but that's all right. I'll be trimming them up, or trimming them down, not trimming them up. Come on, get up there, dude. All right. Where's my pencil? Here it is. Same on this one. Okay, now we're going to take them to the machine and we are going to stitch on both sides of the line. Fairly simple block, but it's the first time I've ever done it, so we shall see. Okay, I'm gonna sew 1/4 of an inch on both sides. That doesn't look lined up to me. There we go. The one's just a little bit bigger than the square. Now I messed it up. All right, let's line it up. I heard a car going off. Now we're going to sew on the other side of the line. I'm just going to cut down the middle line. Oops. Okay, there's one. Now let's try this again. Okay, those are done. So I'm really not taking that much off. And I do my dog ears after. I have trouble going backwards into those little slots, so. But you would just do this. My half square triangles are done. So now I'm going to take my white and my red and I'm going to sew those together. Take it to the machine. Excuse my squeaky chair, but it won't stop a squeaking. Okay, now I'm just going to press these open to the dark side. Press them all open like that. All right, we got our middle square, and we put the colors going in like this, just like that. And we take the half square triangles and put those in like this, like that, like this, and like that. But I am going to move this one up here and put this one down here to kind of break up the pattern a little bit. And there's your churn dash. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sew this row together, then that row together, then that row together, and then sew the rows together. So let's go here and here. And here like that. So you're going to go here. Sometimes I forget what I'm doing. Well, not sometimes, a lot of the times. And that's going to go like that. So flip it over and sew it on. Now, I don't know if you guys like this seam better or the overhead. So let me know in the comments. Okay, and there's row 1. And I'm going to finger press. Okay, there's row 1 done. Now I'm going to do row 2. Take this over just like that. Well, this is not lined up. Get over there, people. All right, there we go. Okay, open this up. Finger press. Do the same here. We're going to flip it over. Put it on there and stitch down that side. And finger press that. And here's our middle done. Now we're going to take this one, flip it over, and take the other one and sew it. Oops, couldn't find my foot pedal. All right. Okay, open this up. Uh-oh. Yep, I did it right. Whew. Thought I did it wrong. I'd be like, oh no. Now put this one on. Line her up. You can pin if you like. And this is just leftover cave fabric I had. Well, not all of it. The orange and the red is a leftover scrap pack from my Fabric Addiction 1 on Etsy. Okay, there is the 3. Now we're just going to do the rows. We're going to line this up and sew across there. Finger press it open. Okay, there's the top. Now we're going to take the bottom, flip it up here, and sew across there. Okay, that's what the block looks like. I'm going to give it a press, and then I'll see you on the mat. Okay, there is the finished block. All done.